Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Circle, what it is, what it does, its strengths and limitations, and whether it's still worth using in 2025. If you are a creator, a coach, a course creator, or you're building a membership community, then this review will help you decide whether Circle is the right one for you. Let's get started. At its core, Circle is a unified community, membership, and content platform. It's a place where you can build a community space, host courses or content, run events or live streams, enable private or public groups, and even monetize access, all under one roof. Rather than juggling multiple tools like a forum, a course platform, a payment gateway, and a live streaming app, Circle brings them together in a single platform. In 2025, with so many creators and online businesses building communities, having everything unified helps reduce complexity, keeps everything on brand, and makes the user experience smoother. Members log in once and see discussion spaces, courses, events, and content all in the same place, whether on desktop or in mobile. But Circle isn't just a forum or a simple group. It offers features that position it somewhere between a community forum, a membership site, and a light learning platform. That makes it both interesting for creators building communities and for educators or coaches offering courses with community support. So in short, Circle aims to be a one-stop home for community engagement, content delivery, live interaction, and monetization, making it a powerful tool for anyone wanting to build a serious, branded community in 2025. Now let us talk about the main features of Circle. Community spaces and membership management. You can build custom spaces, either public, private, or invite-only spaces. You can organize groups by topic. You can set member roles or permissions, and you can manage directories, member profiles, and search members. It is great for keeping a structured community rather than disorganized charts. The discussion, chat, and direct messaging. Circle offers discussion boards, group chats, and direct messaging so that people can engage publicly or privately. Courses and content hosting. It supports hosting courses inside the community. You can upload videos, PDFs, and other media. You can even set up self-paced or drip-fed courses. You can embed media, deliver content directly to members. Live events and live streaming or live room options. You can run live events, you can live stream to larger groups, or you can do interactive rooms for Q&A, for workshops, for coaching calls, and even community events. How about the monetization and the paid memberships or paywall? You can charge memberships either monthly, annually, or one-time fee. You can also charge for gate course access or spaces, and you can integrate payment gateways directly into the platform. How about customization and branding? Yes, you can have a custom domain, a logo with colors, theme, rich member profiles, and customizable pages or spaces that gives it all a polished, professional look. Then there's the automation parts, automation, workflows, and API or integration supports. Of course, the higher tier plans include workflow automations, member triggers, and API or headless options for advanced integrations. There's member engagement and community tools. Yes, there are member directories, notifications or digests, gamifications, and rich profiles to encourage interaction and participation. And of course, don't forget the mobile-friendly app, the branded app option. Yes, you have access via native mobile apps on iOS and Android with a Plus branded app option to launch a fully white label mobile app under your brand. Circle covers community, content, monetization, engagement, and branding, which is a full package for anyone wanting a community and a course and membership and professional brand presence under one roof. Now, what is the pricing of Circle like? There's the professional plan billed at $89 per month. There's the business plan at $199 per month, the enterprise plan at $419 per month, and the custom pricing plan. Now, they all have a free 2-week trial for you to test it out and see how it works and know if this is the right one for you. And of course, optional, there's an email hub where you can unify your audience and community with Circle's email hub. Isn't that amazing? Now, what are the pros and cons of using Circle? First, let's talk about the pros. It has an all-in-one solution. Yes, you have community in there, you have content, membership, live events, monetization, and branding. And of course, there's the professional look and customization. Yes, it has a polished UI and you can do custom branding. Even native mobile apps are available. The engagement and community features are also great, and monetization is built in. Then it is flexible and scalable. How about the cons? The price is high, especially for small creators or early stage communities. And the advanced features are only accessible on higher tiers. So is Circle the best community platform in 2025? Well, Circle remains one of the most compelling all-in-one community platforms in 2025, especially for creators, for coaches, educators, or businesses that are wanting a polished, unified, branded community with membership and content hub. If you already have or you expect to build a reasonably engaged audience, whether for coaching, for paid courses, for content and discussion, or for memberships, Circle offers professional features and flexibility without needing to juggle multiple options. However, for small creators that are just starting out, or those needing advanced educational features like quizzes or certificates, Circle may feel expensive or limited. Advanced features are locked behind higher tier plans, so full power comes at premium. And that's it on the review of Circle. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Mighty Networks, Schoolmaker, and Podia. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.